Welcome to DJH. We've just acquired this lovely BMW 218 M Sport. It's an absolutely lovely condition. See the fishing dolphin grey metallic, diamond cut alloy wheels, full M Sport body styling kit, privacy glass to the rear park distance control and front park distance control. Really is in lovely condition. Some wheels are done, but absolutely stunning. Boot tab is in lovely condition. The TV is in lovely condition. Everywhere on the seats. Electric windows, automatic headlights. Start the car up. It's 92,732 miles. It's got all the extras as well. You've got your satellite navigation, park distance control, media pack. It's got a DAB radio, Bluetooth, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes, sport, comfort, eco pro, 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning. Well, that's nice and cold. M Sport steering wheel. And DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.